Breaking news that's coming in this Monday morning. Monsoons hitting several parts of the country, and in North India, reports coming in of lightning strikes killing people. Now, at least 23 people have died in Rajasthan. 6 are dead in Jaipur alone because of these lightning strikes. Prime Minister Modi has also offered his condolences now to the families of all those who have died. In Uttar Pradesh also, as many as 41 people have lost their lives due to lightning strikes at different places. The maximum deaths were reported from Prayagraj, where 14 people have died. So this is the news that's coming in of a lightning strike that's killed several people in Rajasthan as well as Uttar Pradesh. Devankur is joining us live with more details on this. Dev, unfortunate news coming in from Rajasthan. Prime Minister Modi has offered his condolences as well. But where really have the maximum casualties been reported in the state?
Well, terrible news, Akshita, coming out of Rajasthan. In fact, in Jaipur, 11 people were reported dead. I'm standing right now at the Amer Fort in Jaipur. This is on the outskirts of the Jaipur city. And if the camera person can zoom in and show you the exact watchtower, where about 30 people had gathered to watch the rains as the onset of monsoons began in Jaipur. Sky lightning struck not just once but twice within a span of less than 40 minutes, and at that time all the people were taken by shock. The lightning struck in such a manner that they had literally no time to react. Akshita, several of them fell down to their death about 500 meters from there, and the death was instant in those cases, and there were as many as around 15 to 16 people who got injured as well. I do have several personnel from the state disaster relief force with me. Sir, आप यहाँ पर पूरी रात काम कर रहे थे. ये बताएं क्या मंजर था उस समय जब यहाँ पे आकाशीय बिजली गिरी और कितने लोगों की मौत हो चुकी है?
आकाशीय बिजली जब गिरी उसके बाद में बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड हुआ इस एरिया के अंदर, जैसा कि हम लोगों ने जो यहाँ के हमारे जो लोकल जो हैं उनसे हमने बातचीत की, और जब हम आए तो मतलब जो लोकल जो हमारे साथी थे वो हमारी मदद के लिए आ चुके थे, और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने यहाँ से 27 लोगों को यहाँ से नीचे उतारा।
क्या बॉडीज उतारी हैं?
27 लोगों को हमने जीवित और डेड बॉडीज दोनों मिलाकर के उतारी, क्योंकि हम डेड बॉडी डिक्लेयर नहीं कर सकते किसी को भी।
उनमें से घायल कितने थे, आपको पता लग पा रहा होगा कि कितने लोग घायल?
हाँ, लगभग करीब हमारे पास जो थे कि हमने 21-22 लोग जो है हमने जीवित उतारे यहाँ से, और 5 के करीब हमने उस टाइम कैजुअलिटीज उतारी।
Well, so Akshita, most of the injured people were taken to the Swai Mansingh hospital in Jaipur.
Okay.
But in total, around 20 people are confirmed dead in Rajasthan. That includes 4 people in Kota, 3 in Dholpur, and 1 each in Bara and Jhalawad.
Right.
So clearly, the emergency, the disaster team did respond in time, but could not save the lives of almost 22 people in Rajasthan.
Very unfortunate news that's coming in this morning. Dev, thank you for all those details and for getting us that official reaction.